motherfucking boy, Skull Side, aka we need to slap America in the motherfucking mouth. The reason for this video is for the people that's going to go vote. If you're going to go vote, use a dumb fuck. For the simple fact that your vote don't fucking matter. You understand me? You know what I'm saying? We ain't living in no motherfucking USA as the USA as you thinking, nigga. What happen if niggas like me, you know what I'm saying, women like me, or that think in a sense like me, or the shit, excuse me, or that think in a sense like me, you know what I'm saying, women 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 like me.